Hello everyone, my name is Mela Septiani. I am the veterinary medicine student in Erlangga University. In this occasion, I will be presenting a review of phytochemical components and health benefits of the mulberry or Morus alba L. Introduction. Many biologically active compounds are found in natural products. The compounds found in plants and fruit are widely studied because they have pharmaceutical properties. There are about 50% of types of drugs used come from natural products. Morus alba L, or commonly known as mulberry, belongs to the Moraceae family and is distributed in areas with tropical to moderate climates. Most people use mulberry fruit by eating, drying, or processing it into fruit juice, jams, and grapes because the fruit has a high nutritional content, low calorie content, and delicious fruit taste. Also, recently there are many studies that evaluate the chemical contents of these plants and the pharmaceutical activities too. In this review, I will be explaining the taxonomy, the description, the geographical distribution, the medicinal use, the phytochemicals, nutrition, and the pharmaceutical activity of Morus alba. Morus alba, the species of this plant is Morus alba L. The fruit of these plants is round or subglobose, has closed seeds, and white or red or purple when ripe. You can look at the features. These plants, Morus alba plants, is from Japan, China, India, and also can be found in North America, Europe, and Africa. Also, these plants can be found all around the world because of silkworm cultivation. From the medicinal use, this plant widely used as a food dish because it has chemical and nutritional compounds, has a therapeutic potential, so this is widely used as a traditional medicine. In the Chinese herbal medicine, these plants play a role in preventing inflammation, reducing blood sugar levels, and have anti-aging activity. Next, move to the phytochemical study. Is first from the leaf, we can found the antioxidant compounds like new aryl bendazole furans derivatives from the including morazine V and E along with the two compounds known as morazine P and morazine N. From the fruits, there are 5 anthocyanins. From the fractionation of the ethanol extract, also isolated 25 phenolic compounds. In this road also have new flavonoids from the ethanol extracts from the roots and barks. There are several compounds too, like flavonoids, coumarin, stilbenoids. From the twigs and stem, also there are several compounds such mulberoside, resveratrol, and oxyresveratrol. These plants also contain several nutrition like the protein, fat, minerals, vitamin, and sugar. And the protein is higher than the raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. The fat is high also. Total fats in these plants are 14 and mostly is the linoleic acids. From the minerals, this fruit is contain phosphorus, calcium, and potassium, also several vitamins. The sugar, the main sugar in mulberry fruit are fructose and glucose. Pharmacological activity. The first is the antimicrobial, the leaf extracts. The one studied leaf extracts from mulberry leaves based on can against the bacteria based on the inhibition zone using the diffusion disc. Also, in another study showed antimicrobial activity like against the Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Klebsiella, pneumonia, and Staphylococcus aureus. From the anthelmintic, the leaf extracts is effective to against the timing and paralysis of the parenchyma postuma. Another pharmacologically is the hepatoprotective, neuroprotective, and nephroprotective. Next, the pharmacology with immunomodulatory. The fruit is good for increasing the cell-mediated immunity and humoral immunity. By the different concentration, the fruit extracts can prevent that and increase serum immunoglobulin levels. The leaf extracts, in another study, the leaf extracts also can stimulate the non-specific immune system depending on the dose are used. Next is the anxiolytic. The methanol extracts or mulberry leaves can increase the maintenance and the number of box crossed. Also increase the time spent by rats in illuminated box. Also could provide sedative effect. For the hypocholesterolemia, is also effective. This plan is also effective by suffer the atherosclerosis. Next, the anti-diabetic activity from this plan is increasing the insulin, such as increasing the insulin production, reducing lipid peroxidation, reducing the amount of glucose, and others. Also, the methanol extract of mulberry root bark at this dose is showed 50% inhibitory activity of acetylcholinesterase. Now the pharmacological activity like the anti-inflammatory, the antioxidants, these fruits can reducing the oxidant process in vivo and in vitro, like can play active role in scavenging superoxides, and for the anti-allergics, the root bark extract has strong anti-allergic and antihistamine activity. Another pharmacological activity like anti-tumor, and this fruit can preventing the gastric carcinogenesis by inhibit the AGS, also the anti-stress. The ethyl acetate fraction of the methanol extracts can weaken the chronic stress. The ethanol extract of mulberry leaves contains several compounds such as quinone, morusins, and others that show anti-HIV activities. From the good microbia, in one study, the mulberry extracts can reduce the population of Firmicutes and increase the number of Bacteroidetes in colon, and better than the treatment using a standard drug. Skin tanning. Okay, the extract of mulberry root barks and leaves is shown inhibition of anti-tyrosinase activity that is beneficial for the deep pigmentation. Also, the mulberry leaves contain mulberoside F compounds which act as skin whitening agents. Conclusion: the mulberry plants of Morus alba comes from Japan, India, and China. Mulberry fruit can be used as medicine and food dishes. Phytochemical studies have found various active compounds isolated from the fruit, leaves, bark, and roots of mulberry plants, such as flavonoids, terpenoids, phenolic acids, alkaloids, coumarin, and stilbenoids. Mulberry fruits contain carbohydrates, vitamins, protein, fiber, fat, and minerals, so that it can be a healthy food choice for consumption. Mulberry plants contain many active compounds and nutrition that play a role in pharmacological activity, so that mulberry plants can be used as a treatment to cure various diseases. Thank you. This